Hi, welcome. For the couple of months I've been using the AirPods, they have come with their problems. This is where one AirPod decides to stop working just randomly without any warning or something like that. But this is to be expected. Worry not, these problems are mostly quick fixes at home. Here is a list of 3 quick fixes which I found to work to all AirPods from 1st gen, 2nd gen and AirPods Pro. Let's get started. As expected, the AirPods eventually get covered by the earwax. This blocks some of the essential sensors on the AirPod. Worry not, this is an easy fix. All you need is a Q-tip. Yes, this is the ear cleaning thing. How ironic. Also, you need some alcohol for disinfecting. Take your time to scrub out all the gunk and also clean at the bottom of the stem where the contacts are located. Then proceed to the case. Carefully clean inside where the stem are going on the case. Once you are done, put the AirPods back in the case and test them if they are working now. If not, we proceed to the next fix. At the back of the AirPod case, there's a small conspicuous button. This button is a reset button. Don't press this button for about 30 seconds. Once you have pressed it for 30 seconds, open the case and you will be prompted with the connection dial on your iPhone, and once connected, hope your issue is resolved. Also, the next way, as we are constantly living in the world of Internet of Things, pick up your iPhone and find out if your AirPods have a software patch or update, because sometimes this could be a bug from your previous update. Also, you can try connecting the AirPods to another phone, as it could be a problem with your phone. In this part, I would highly recommend an iPhone with the latest software update. Thank you for watching. If you missed the latest video on using AirPods 1st gen in 2020, be sure to watch, like, comment and share. Also, stay tuned, follow me at my social handles. Have a great time. See you in the next one.